a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Trying to wake up from a dream is harder than it seems. Birds are flying all around, some fall and hit the ground.
Touchdown.
Beyond the brink of time, I will love you till I die. On shaky grounds, you could never understand. The way I am is not what it seems. Tangled up in dreams. I'm tired in oh so many ways. I've been gone for 7 days. I don't know why I can't explain. My heart delivers pain, and I got nothing more to say.
Parang hindi ka pipil, hindi ko pil. Ano?
Sayaw na gano'n, no?
Grand, ay, ano ba, runway?
Naka-ano na ako
Bessie.
ng, ano,
She's about.
welcome remarks.
Lola.
AI.
AI, pwede naman.
Perfect.
Outfit check.
I'm just bored in every way. I don't know where I wanna go, but I swear to let you know I will love you till I die. On shaky grounds, you could never understand. The way I am is not what it seems.
Led by Arisa.
Ano to?
You're the most prayerful this year. Tayo na.
Wala akong ito kasi.
Ha? Pray ka lang.
Meditation music to.
Tayo na.
Our 10th year anniversary.
Wow!
Christmas is a time for connection. Gratitude. And love. Right? We get to share all of that together. Set aside the goodness of every hour.
Tangled up in dreams.
Outfit check, day 2.
What's up, yo, guys? TikTok muna. Bago sa second day. Ay, second destination.
May time naman tayo, be.
Oo nga.
Ang hirap, be.
You could never understand. place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive.
Hi guys!
Tatagaling ba itong case?
Nandito kami sa falls.
guys, say hi.
Wow!
Dito ma'am.
Ay,
Dito
para
ma'am.
doon, sa may pin.
Masaya.
Ito, ayaw magsaray.
Siya yung pinaka-mother sa lahat ng mother. So, ibang falls dito, mga sun lang.
Sino po may suot sa
Ako po.
Okay na nakakot.
Kasi ayoko magpabasa ng ano.
What's up, yo guys?
Parang lang sila din nakagano. Ako pang swimming pool, ano na.
Ang magpapaiwan.
Tapos po yung dito sa dadaanan natin.
Ay, pesos each.
Saan po?
Dito sa...
Bagal?
Ay, nag-walking ba lang lahat?
No.
Nag-walking dyan.
Me.
Reach out, reach out, reach out, reach out to the sky. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way, my way, my way. Cause I found my way, my way, my way. I was lost in a city dream, and I was at home again beside the stream. Then you walked past me, and you saw me and smiled. I will never forget the first time when I saw you. I thought I lost my mind. Blue and faded was blown away and left behind. I hope you'll always be around, even if I fail. You are like a summer breeze that I must inhale. Is it possible for us to feel this way forever? Loving you has never felt more right.
Uy, gago. Bakit? Ano ang number? Sure ba kayo? Bibigyan ako. Nakatakot. Bibigyan ka ba? Ganda. Bigyan ka sa Galinford. Sa ating tato lang. Sa ating lang tato. Bukas tayo. Gagong delikado naman dinaanan nyo. Yun sa kabila. Sa kabila yung te. Yun dyan. Pero sa Anox yung bayan. Pangina nyo. Magiging. Daral. Bago baka sabihin na. Bading. Bading na bading.
And for you, there is nothing in this world.
Tabi-tabi ang ingay mo. Nalabo-labo.
I would walk 1,000 miles just to see you. I hope you'll always be around, even if I fail. You are like a summer breeze that I must inhale. Is it possible for us to feel this way forever? I hope you'll always be around, even if I fail. You are like a summer breeze that I must inhale. Is it possible for us to feel